Naivasha Member of Parliament Jayne Kihara will now have to face criminal charges after the High Court in Nairobi dismissed her application to quash them. Kihara, through her lawyer Ndegwa Njiru, had asked the court to postpone plea-taking, citing the need for constitutional interpretation. However, Magistrate Ben-Mark Ihubi ruled that the Director of Public Prosecutions acted lawfully in bringing charges forward. The MP is now expected to appear in court and take plea on August the 5th. Mike Kagwongo has the details.
Naivasha Member of Parliament Jayne Kihara on Tuesday afternoon was ordered by the High Court in Nairobi to respond to incitement charges that could potentially breach peace under Section 94(1) of the Penal Code. The legislator is also accused of using derogatory language with the intention of inciting violence on July 8th of 2025. Magistrate Ben-Mark Ihubi ruled that the charge sheet met the constitutional threshold for initiating prosecution, stating that the MP understood the nature of the charges before the court and ordered Kihara to respond to them.
So in document, I find that the requirements of a properly drafted charge sheet has been surmounted by the state. I find also on the face of the charge sheet, I'm of the conscientious view that the suspect will be able to fathom and adequately discern and be able to prepare for her defense.
The MP will now respond to the charges against her after Magistrate Ihubi determined that the Director of Public Prosecutions acted within the law when initiating the case. In a fresh plea to delay the plea taking, the accused, represented by lawyer Ndegwa Njiru, argued that the constitutional interpretation is necessary before the case proceeds. However, the prosecution opposed the application, stating that nothing prevents the accused from pursuing a constitutional petition in the High Court, even after taking a plea. The prosecution further emphasized that freedom of expression does not extend to hate speech or incitement to violence.
This freedom is not for members of parliament. This freedom is not for the members of the press. This freedom is not much for, it's for every citizen as guaranteed by Article 33.
After being arrested in Naivasha on July 17th and transported to Nairobi, Kihara was released on bail of 50,000 shillings.
Kwa sababu kusemekana ati amesema hivi Naivasha na yeye ni representative wa watu wa Naivasha, it beats all the logic. Lakini nataka kumweleza ama kumkumbusha Mheshimiwa Ruto, wakati wa campaign alisema hata waifanya kama haya. Alikuwa anasema tuondoe ile serikali.
Saizi wabunge wakiongea wanaanza kutishwa na makoti. Ukiangalia freedom hata movement saizi, umeona vitu imekuwa ikihappen to our team, the DCP team. Kila mahali watu wakienda wanapigwa na tear gas. Tunaona hadi polisi anashika mawe.
Not heard who I incited, because I remember when I said what I just heard now.
The hearing of the plea taken against the MP has now been scheduled for August 5th this year. Mike Kagwongo, TV 47, Nairobi.